Welcome to the command center of cool, captained by none other than the eccentric what? Intergalactic Empress of Eccentricity. Me. Shay Radcliffe. In the nebula of Radcliffe's Radthrifts, normal is an alien concept. We bring you clothing from different galaxies that you never knew existed. It's not just fashion. It's fashion from another dimension. So if your wardrobe feels a bit terrestrial and you need a little bit more cosmic couture, jet on over to Radcliffe's Radthrifts. We got you. We got you. Fashion's so fun, it's out of this world.